Right. So today we will going to complete the installment payment terms of our customers, and we have done with the vendors and all. And one more important thing is that don't miss the classes. If you miss the class 1 or class 2, I will wait for that thing. Okay, if you miss the 3 classes, okay, continuously, if you miss the 3 classes, I will definitely remove your profile from this SAP FICOS for HANA group. Definitely, I will remove you and I will not going to allow you. Why? Because you are not going to understand each and everything. If you have work, okay, please do your work. There is no issue. Attend the classes, that is 1 hour or 1.5 hour classes. And you are neglecting these classes. When I say one time, please be on the time. It will take some time to get the job. Okay. Okay, right. So these payment terms configurations, installment payment terms with cash discounts. See why I am including installment payment terms in payment terms configurations. Why? Because installment payment terms is the source of installment payment term for the payment terms only. Okay, so payment term is the not source for the installment payment term. Try to understand the point. Okay, so installment payment terms are very important in SAP FICO system. At the same time, you know it very well. Some of the persons give the 100% cash discount. Some of the persons give the 8%, 20%, 18% like. But in real time, you don't have much percentage. That is, you do have only 1%. The maximum cash discounts will be 2% or 3%. That is the important thing right now we have. Okay, so the important thing is that all of you, I think so. I have shared you the one email. Okay, so please go to that email. You will going to have private links. Okay, or I am preparing the document. When you go to the mail IDs and all, okay, automatically you will going to get the private links. Whatever the videos are in private, you will get the private links. Okay, right. So the next one is installment payment terms with cash discounts for customers. Go to the transaction code OBB8. Go to the transaction code OBB8. Nagraju, is it resolved or not? Go to the new address. Yes, give the source of installment payment term for the particular customer. Anything. Source of installment payment term. And in the own explanation, give anything. First installment 60%, second installment 40%. Whatever the things that we want, we can do it, all of you. There is no issue. First installment 60% and second installment 40%. Okay, so you know it very well, and this accounting type is particularly relevant to the these payment terms are particularly relevant to the customers and when not, and there is a fixed date calculations. Okay, and the next one is additional months also. Okay, you got my point. And at the same time, default for baseline date will be a document date. Okay, so right. The next one is installment payment term. When you click on this installment payment term, automatically it will take, I mean, system will understand that, oh, this is the source of installment payment term. Okay. And one more thing, all of you, you can, I mean, you no need to enter anything in the payment terms, things and all. You can just copy all these things to your new payment terms. Okay. I mean, in FITMM integration, in FITST integration, you're going to see a lot of copying options and all. Don't worry about that thing. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. So this is the source of installment payment of all of you. For this thing, we will going to create normal payment terms. Okay, why? Because to run this source of installment payment term for vendor master records and customer master records, we need to have the important point that is source of installment payment term. Without having the source of installment payment term, we cannot calculate the installment payment terms with cash discounts. That is important thing. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries and give the payment terms SO I2. So first installment, first installment, first installment. First installment. First installment. So in the own explanation, give the first installment with 4% cash discount. First installment with 4% cash discount. Everything is same, all of you. So when it comes to the default for baseline date, it is a document date. And the next, don't click on this installment payment term. Okay, just give the percentages as well as number of days. So 4% and number of days is 10 days. No need to give anything like 4% and number of days is 10. Click on the enter and go to the save button and save it. Come back and go to the new entries and try to give SO I2. SO I2. And in the sales text, we do have second installment. Take out the thing, and in the own explanation, second installment 20 days, that is 3% cash discount. So if you want 3%, you can just give it. If you want 2%, you can also just give it. There is no issue. Okay, good. The next one. So in the document date, take out the default for baseline date calculations and all. And in the percentages, you can just give 3% and number of days will be 20 days. Good. Come back. So the next one is give slash n. Show me the next configuration. Okay, good. So creation of the individual installment payment terms are also over. Okay, the next one is assign these installment payment terms. So for one payment term, that is source of payment terms, using transaction code OBB9. Go to the transaction code OBB9. Go to the transaction code OBB9. Go to the new address. Take out your source of installment payment term. Give the first installment, that is 60%. See, all of you, when you do each and every configuration in ECC and SAP S/4HANA, you will try to remember the each and every configurations. Okay, and also each and every point. When they ask one screen, automatically, what are the fields that are there in that screen? They will going to ask you, all of you, what are the options that are there in that screen? They will definitely ask you. Okay, they will test your knowledge. That is why please try to do the configurations. Okay, so today is Tuesday. No one has shared this business partner roles and business partner category configurations. Only Durga ma'am only shared the configurations only. Screenshot. Business partner has been successfully created on the particular vendor master roles. Okay, and also BP categories. No one has shared the screenshots. Okay, so what happened? Please do the configurations. If you face any errors, please try to send the screenshot to this group. Automatically, everybody will respond. Okay, this is not at all good. Why I am telling each and every important real-time classes and all? Okay, so the next one is terms of installment payment of second installment. Whatever the individual payment terms that we have created, and we need to assign it here. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. And click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Term SOI3, not SO. Okay, you go to that OBBA transaction code. Can you come down? Go to the position and give your payment terms SOI3. SO or that is SOT3. This is your payment term, right? SOI2. Check with SOI2. Okay, change it to the SOT3. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Give /n. And the next one is here. Assign the source of installment payment term to the master recorder using transaction code XK02. Go to the transaction code XK02. Go to the transaction code XK02. Go to the company code data, go to the payment transactions and remove the this payment terms and give the source of installment payment term. Good. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, then raise one invoice using transaction code EFB70 for the customer invoices. Okay. Nagaraju, is your error resolved?
No, sir. Everything in optional, sir. I check it OBC4 and OB41 also.
Okay, you are getting somewhat errors in invoice raising also.
Yes, sir. Day after yesterday, no, sir. Today is reflected that.
Okay, so after these two classes are like SAP S4 HANA, we will going to see the error.
S4 HANA is completed, sir.
Okay,
No,
I got the
no, not getting error.
Okay. After this class, I mean installment payment term is for HANA class.
Okay,
I will
okay,
see
sir.
that errors. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Raise one vendor in invoices. Click on the enter. Go to the simulate option, or else go to the payment term option, payment term tab. Go up. Take out the payment term. Okay, good. So go to the simulate option. Go to the simulate option. Okay, now you got the thing right. So 60,000 and 40,000. Go to the save button and save it. And go to the transaction code F-28. Go to the transaction code F-28. To get the payments from the particular customer, okay, go to the transaction code F-28. Give /n, enter F-28. Enter. Okay, right, all of you. Mine now, internet is very much perfect. Give the account, bank account. Go to the process open items. Give the amount 60,000. 1 lakh, no issue. Select that 60,000 and deselect the 40,000. Deselect the 40,000. Deselect this 40,000 also. No. Deselect the 40,000. Double click on that thing. Select the 60,000 only. $57,600, right? 2,400. What you need to do is go to the charge of reference. And remove the 1 lakh. Give the 57,600. Click on the enter, go to the process of items. Okay, go to the document save button and save it. Okay, so this is how we can able to do the configurations for the installment payment terms. Okay, and you can able to see the report also. Okay, if you have any open items for these customers, automatically it will show you. If you don't have any open items for the customers, so I think so. Yesterday, one of our trainee has got the job. Okay, uh, that company is. Okay, that company is Broadridge. Okay, you know the Broadridge, all of you. So left side cyber towers, there is office Broadridge. I think so. She has got 18 lakh per annum. All of you. So with 5 years of experience, not the 5 years, 4.5 years of experience. 18 lakhs she has got. Okay. So I will not going to reveal anything. Okay. Why? Because see, I mean, she told me that these are the restricted things, sir. So after 1 month or 2 months, I will tell you each and everything and how I approach it to the interviews and all. She is a video based learner. Okay, all of you. She is not an online. I mean, she is not my student, but she is my student. But she belongs to the particular video based learning only, not the online training student. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. The next one is I will going to stop.